I am Dr. W.P. Gangadhar from Kamala Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the conformation isomers. In case of ethane is the example of conformations. As we know, single bond single bond is formed by overlapping, that is axial overlapping of the half-filled atomic orbitals. And in case of ethane, carbon-carbon single bond is formed by the sp3 overlap of the carbon atoms, and therefore there is a rotation, different types of rotation around the single, that is the carbon-carbon bond, and because of that different and when we rotate the atoms or group around the single bond, we obtain different arrangement of the atoms and group in case of the molecule of organic molecule, and therefore we obtain this type of rotation around the single bond of the atoms give the spatial and different arrangement of the all the structures. These are known as the conformation isomers. Also we can say that these are the momentary isomers where the spatial arrangement or different types of arrangement of the atoms or group is obtained by the rotation around the carbon-carbon single bond. So these different types of rotation, we have to fix the one carbon and we have to rotate the another, and therefore we obtain different arrangement of the atoms or group in the organic molecules. These are known as conformation isomers or conformations, and these isomers are obtained by the rotation of atoms or group around the single bond. So today we are taking an example of conformation in case of the ethane molecule. So we will discuss this in detail in today's presentation. So today's presentation is on the topic stereochemistry of the organic compound, and this is the part number 14. And in this part we are discussing today the topics are conformational isomerism, what is meant by the conformations in case of ethane, and two-dimensional conformation, Saw-Hurst formula, and Newman projection formula of the in case of ethane. So different structures are there, staggered and eclipse, and this conformation we have to see in this presentation. In case of conformation of isomerism, as we know, there is a formation of carbon-carbon single bond, and in this case, when there is a formation of sigma bond and molecular orbital rotation about the carbon-carbon single bond is almost free, and because of this result is that there is a free rotation of the molecule of the atoms or group around the molecule, and therefore we obtain different shapes. And we can say that already we know the formation of single covalent bond, and this is formed between the two atoms by axial overlapping of half-filled atomic orbital. In case of alkane, the carbon-carbon bond is formed by the axial overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbital of the adjacent carbon atom. The electron distribution in molecular orbital of the sp3 sigma bond is symmetrically around the internucleases, and therefore the sigma bond or the single bond allow freedom of rotation about the carbon-carbon bond, and the molecule can give different spatial arrangement of atom attached to the carbon atom. Such type of different spatial arrangement of atoms which is due to the rotation around the single bond is known as the conformers or conformation isomerism. And in case of ethane, so here the number of momentary arrangement, we can say that here number of momentary arrangement of the atoms in the space which result through the rotation about a single bond are known as the conformations or rotational isomer, because it is formed by the rotation. So in case of ethane, so example is the ethane. So in ethane molecule, two carbon atoms are connected by sigma bond, and one of the methyl group of the ethane molecule is kept fixed. We have to fix the one methyl group of the ethane molecule, we have to fix it, and the other methyl group is rotated about the carbon-carbon bond, and a large number of momentary arrangement of the hydrogen atoms on one carbon atom with respect to the other hydrogen atom on the other carbon atom in the space are obtained. So different momentary arrangement of is obtained by rotation, These infinite number of momentary arrangement of the atom in the space is known as the conformation of ethane. So in case of ethane, formula is CH3CH3. There is a carbon-carbon single bond. So one CH3 we have to fix, and other CH3, 3 hydrogens are there, we have to rotate, and we get different arrangement. So these momentary arrangements of the atom in the space is known as the conformation of ethane. Now, out of infinite number of possible conformation of ethane, there are number of possible conformation of ethane. Only the two extreme one are important. Out of number of conformation, there are different types of possible conformations are there, but two are the important, and these two are, one is a staggered and second is a eclipse conformation of the ethane. So two are very important, staggered and eclipse conformations. So here first one, that is what is the two-dimensional conformation. As we know, three-dimensional structure can be represented on the two-dimensional surface with the help of Fischer projections. But one of the serious drawback of this projection formula is that they represent the molecule in unfavorable eclipse conformation. But actually, in discussing the reaction of the molecule, it is generally desirable to depict the molecule in actual staggered form rather than the Fischer projection. Therefore, to overcome this difficulty, conformation of the molecule are usually represented by the three methods are there. So actually it is a staggered, but now they show eclipse. So what is now, some conditions are there, and therefore three methods are there when it is staggered and eclipse. Three methods we are discussing. First method is a Saw-Haas formula. Structures are being shown here. This is the staggered, this is the backs, this is the front carbon, and this is the eclipse arrangement. So these are the representations, Saw-Haas representation for staggered and the eclipse conformation of ethane. In this case of this Saw-Haas, it is the simple method of representing the three-dimensional formula of the molecule on the paper, and in this case the molecule is slightly viewed slightly from the above and from right and projected on the paper. In this case, the bond between the two carbon atom is drawn diagonally and is slightly elongated for clarity. So bond is longer. The lower left hand carbon is considered to be toward the front and upper right hand carbon toward the back. The Saw-Haas, this figure here, two types of staggered and the eclipse position is shown. This is the front and this is the back. This is front and here. So this is staggered representation and eclipse of the ethane molecule, and these structures are known as the formula of this ethane is known as Saw-Haas formula. Second is also shown here that flying wedge representation. So in this way, these are the name of scientists, flying and wedge representation. They have been shown the two positions, staggered and eclipse, and in this case, in this formula, bonds connecting the two carbon atoms are horizontally in the plane of the paper, and wedge represent bonds lying above the plane of the paper. Ordinary lines are used to denote the bond within the plane of the paper, and dotted lines stand for bond lying below the plane of the paper. And in this case, the representation for the staggered and eclipse conformation of the ethane molecule is shown in the figure here. These are the dotted line and these are the main, these are the line main and these are the dotted lines. So they are on the back side. So here staggered and eclipse representation is given by for the two different structure conformation of the conformations of ethane, and these are given by the flying wedge representation. But here the important representation is, that is the Newman projection formula. This is important, and in case of Newman, it shows that a simple and highly useful method of representation of three-dimensional formula on the paper. In this method, these are sometimes also known as the Newman projection formula. These formula are obtained by weaving the molecule along the bond joining the two carbon atoms. The two carbon atoms are there, and the carbon which is near the eye is represented by the point, and there are three atoms or the group attached to it by three equally spaced red eye. The carbon atom which is away from the eye is known as the shown by the circle, and the 3 atom attached to it by the 3 equally spaced radial extension. The new map projection for staggered and eclipse are shown here. So structures for these two types are shown. This is the staggered, and here this circle is the back carbon, and this is the these 3 atoms of the front carbon, and this circle is of the back carbon. In the same way, so these are the position of representation in the Newman projection formula for staggered and eclipse conformation of ethane. So these are the 3 representation or conformation. Mainly in case of ethane, 2 types are there, staggered and the eclipse conformation. These are obtained by rotation. The different number of possible arrangements are there, but these 2 staggered and eclipse are important in case of ethane. And now these 2 conformations isomers are there. So what is the relative stability of these 2 staggered and the eclipse conformation of ethane? So it is shown also diagrammatically, and it is observed that staggered have lower energy and eclipse have higher energy, and therefore we can say that staggered is a more stable as compared to the eclipse, and eclipse have high energy, and therefore they are unstable. And here we can explain that in case of staggered conformation, each of the hydrogen atom on the front carbon lie in between each of the hydrogen atom on the back carbon. In other words, in this conformation, any 2 hydrogen atom on the adjacent carbon atoms are as far apart as possible, and therefore result is that the repulsion between the electron cloud or sigma bond of the 2 non-bonded hydrogen atom is minimum. On the other hand, in case of eclipse conformation, each hydrogen atom on the back carbon lie behind each of the hydrogen atom on the front carbon. Therefore non-bonded hydrogen atoms are quite close, and because of that electron cloud of the sigma bond of the 2 non-bonded hydrogen atom repel each other, and this raises the energy of the eclipse conformation and relative to the staggered conformation. Therefore we can say that staggered conformation of ethane should be more stable as compared to eclipse conformation. And it has also been shown that a staggered conformation of ethane is about 12 kilojoule per mole more stable than the eclipse conformation. And the variation of different types of energy of the conformations of ethane by rotation about the carbon-carbon single bond is also shown here diagrammatically. So this is the eclipse. Then here we get the staggered. Again another eclipse. This is less stable, and again this is stable, staggered. So these are the most stable. These staggered are the most stable, and here the energy is 0. But here in case of eclipse, the energy is high. Potential energy raises, increases. This is eclipse, and again we get the staggered. So in this way we obtain. So these are the staggered more stable, and these are the eclipse are the less stable. So there is a rotation is shown 0 degree, 60 degree. This is at 120 degree. This is at 180, 240. So in this way we obtain 2 types of conformers. That is eclipse, then staggered eclipse, then staggered and different arrangement we obtained. So this is the variation of energy during the rotation of the carbon-carbon single bond in case of ethane molecule. So staggered molecule is more stable because energy is less, and in case of the eclipse molecule the energy is high, therefore it is more less stable. So that is we know the reason that in case of the in case of eclipse conformation, hydrogen atom on the back carbon lie exactly behind each of the hydrogen atom of the front carbon. Therefore non-bonded hydrogen atoms are quite close, and therefore electron cloud of the sigma bond of the 2 non-bonded hydrogen atom repel each other, and because of more repulsion it raises the energy of the eclipse conformation of relative as compared to the staggered conformation. So they are very close to this, and therefore more repulsion. In case of eclipse, the back carbon is very close to the front carbon, therefore there is more repulsion. In this case there is a more gap, and therefore they are not very close, so there is a less repulsion. So these 2 types of arrangements are there, and relative stability. So staggered is a more stable as compared to the eclipse. arrangement. So these two isomers are there, and it is also been observed that two conformation of these ethane are readily interconvertible. It is not possible to separate the two conformation of ethane. At any given moment, most of the ethane molecule would exist in a staggered conformation due to its minimum energy and maximum stability. So again, that conformations are readily interconvertible, and it is not possible to separate the two conformations of ethane. However, at any given moment, most of the ethane molecule exist in staggered conformation due to minimum energy and maximum stability. So in case of ethane, there are mainly two types of arrangement or rotational isomer or conformations. One is staggered and eclipse. So today we stop here and we will discuss the conformation isomers of the N-butane in the next part. So today we have discussed what are the different types of arrangements, staggered and eclipse in case of N, in case of the ethane molecule. But now important again is there another example of conformation of molecule, that is the example is N-butane. So what are the different types of arrangement obtained by rotation, we will discuss in the next part.